Assalamu alaikum. Today is Monday, the 16th of June 2025. We are here as usual to continue our giving journey and tell the Gazans by actions, not words, that they are not alone in the hard and tough circumstances they live. They are not forgotten and we are here to help them. Today, we in Khidmat USA in partnership with the Khidmat Foundation Pakistan are distributing the clean drinking water for the needy and displaced people at Al Karama area in the north of Gaza Strip. Believe me, your contribution makes a great difference. Remember, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Do not disdain a good deed, no matter how small it may seem to others."
شكرا للداعمين على المياه.
شكرا على المية، تعالوا كل يوم عنا. شكرا على المية وكل يوم جيبوا لنا مية وباي.